There's 3 basic ingredients we need. Sunflower lecithin, preferably sunflower, and preference to soy lecithin. You can buy it in the granules, and it can be just put straight into the water and left for 2 hours, and then it's ready to use. Ascorbic acid or vitamin C powder and distilled water. So we're going to make a basic small amount today, and you can double the recipe or triple it depending on your family's needs. So what we're going to do is we've got 1.5 cups of water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate, we're going to put half of this water into the blender. And we're going to put in our ascorbic acid. So for this we need 12.5 grams. That's a tad. That's okay. More's okay, a little bit more, a little bit less, it's okay. And we'll pop that in there. And we'll put that in the blender, and the blender helps it dissolve. If you used warm water, it would dissolve quicker. That ascorbic acid in the water aside, and we're going to now do the lecithin. So we'll pour the rest of the water, and we need, we need 37.5, is it? Pretty sticky stuff, this one. Done. Okay. So we're going to blend that till it's really frothy. Probably blend it for a minute or 2, and sort of you'll see, I mean obviously there's some stuck in the bottom because this is a Ninja, but then now you're going to mix the 2. So you've got your previous one, the ascorbic acid in water, and your lecithin in distilled water. Mix the 2. Now you can blend these together as well if you want to. I think that's also very helpful. Probably blend that for another couple of minutes. Ultrasonic cleaner. Now these come in different types. You can get ones that have heating. This is just a normal jewelry cleaner. I bought this off eBay for $17, so they're not expensive. I mean, it would be preferable if you could afford a bigger one. I've often done it in 2 lots as I've done it, but I'm a patient person, so it doesn't bother me much. So you're going to pour in as much as you can of the ingredients. And obviously this one won't take the whole lot. Now you'll notice it's frothy on the top. So we're going to put the ultrasonic cleaner on until it, for a while. I'm putting the lid on because it's quite full, but you can leave the lid off and turn this on. Now I don't know if you can hear that. And you can actually see it. See the froth on the top? Now as you go, it is preferable to stir this, because the ultrasonics are at the bottom, so you want that to keep moving. And you'll pretty well do that until, this can take up to 6 to 10 minutes until you've got no froth. Then you know it's done. Okay, this has been going for about 15 minutes now, and as you can see, the froth settled down, and you can actually see the vibrations, and we've been stirring it every minute or so, and we've got it to this point. So pretty well, that's done. So we just turn that off, and now we'll just put it in a jar and put it in the fridge. The average daily dose is 30 mils twice a day. If you were unwell, you can take a lot more because the bowel tolerance for this is so much better than normal vitamin C. So we're going to try to put it in this jar and put it in the fridge. And it lasts about 10 days. This is why you wouldn't make too big a batch, because it will go off after 10 days, or not usable after 10 days. And so there you have it. So it's pretty simple, a little bit messy, and you do need a few gadgets. If you don't have a water distiller, you can buy distilled water, and it is best to use distilled because it has no bacteria.